In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Canva's built-in Face Swap tool to replace a face in a photo quickly and cleanly, all from inside your design. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Canva and have a design open. Any size works. For best results, choose high-resolution photos with clear, front-facing faces and good lighting. It also helps to use images where the person isn't heavily obstructed by hats, glasses, or hands. And as a best practice, always get permission from the people in your photos and follow Canva's content guidelines. Begin by going to the left toolbar and clicking on Apps. This is where Canva houses all its add-ons and features that go beyond the standard editor. If you don't see the panel immediately, scroll a bit. Apps sits among elements like text, photos, and uploads. In the Apps search bar, type Face Swap. Spelling it exactly like that helps it surface right away. The search results will filter in real time, so you should see the Face Swap option appear near the top. Click on Face Swap to open its panel. This loads the tool's interface right inside Canva, so you don't have to leave your design. You'll see prompts to select two images, the original image and the target face. Think of the original image as the photo you want to change, and the target face as the face you want to place into that photo. Click Upload or select the original image. If the photo is already in your design or your uploads, just choose it. Otherwise, use the Upload button to bring in a file from your computer. Pick a picture where the person's face is well lit and mostly forward-facing, as that gives the tool the most to work with. Next, click Upload or select the target face. This is the face that will replace the one in your original image. For the most realistic swap, choose a face with a similar angle, lighting, and expression. Matching head tilt and light direction goes a long way toward a natural look. Now click Swap Faces. Canva will process the images for a moment. When it's done, the swapped image appears in your design. Take a close look at hairlines, skin tone, and edges to make sure everything blends well. If the result isn't quite right, try different source photos with clearer angles or more even lighting. From here, you can resize, add text or filters, and export like any other Canva design. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective.